Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to buy cryptocurrency using Samsung Wallet in 2025. The first thing you need to do is launch the app on your Samsung device. Then you tap on crypto. You'll see it in the home screen or in the menu. Next thing you're going to do is to choose your preferred cryptocurrency after selecting buy. Next, you have to enter the amount, that is type in how much crypto you want to buy in local currency or crypto units. So once you've done that, you are going to link a debit or credit card or use a Samsung Pay balance. Next, you have to review the fees, then tap confirm purchase. And once you've done that, you have to verify with your fingerprint, your PIN, or your Samsung Pass. The crypto will appear in your Samsung wallet instantly. Always check for promo banners for lower fees. Yes, check for promo balance for lower fees on select days. Now, these steps reflect Samsung Wallet 2025 UI tested on latest version, and there's no regional restrictions assumed. So you must have crypto purchased enabled in your country. Make sure you do that. Make sure you have verified that your crypto purchase is enabled in the country you are doing it from. Don't forget that fees and payment options may vary slightly depending on your region. Hope you found this video helpful.